playing the Shamrock, B flat. Smooth to the hand, comfy to the hand. It's bigger than a normal diatonic by that much. And the holes are a lot bigger. Comfortable embouchure for the mouth. And there's a certain richness that you get from an octave harmonica that you're not going to get from anything else. And you might say, could you compare this with a single note harmonica? Sure. I'm back. This is with a SEYDEL Vulcany, which has been heavily customized with a custom button and the kettlewell resonant covers, but this is the sound of a single reed harmonica. And then so you got B flat and C. This instrument's in C, this one's in E flat, so they're separated by a whole tone, Which brings up the idea of mixing two harps of different keys in your hands and playing at the same time. That could be fun. And again, I'm just a rank beginner on this instrument. I don't really remember ever playing an octave harmonica before. I bought it because I thought it'd be fun, just something fun. And so I would say it is something fun. And again, the tonal mix that you get is a lot fuller, a lot richer because two tones, bum, 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 at the same time. Octave harmonica. Anyway, that's just noodling around on the new SEYDEL Shamrock.